Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? What's up, dudes? Welcome to another episode of Will It Microwave, special Valentine's Day edition. We've got 3 things we're going to microwave today. First thing off the bat, don't try this at home. Old crappy microwave.
We're safe.
We're safe.
We're in the garage.
We're in the garage. We don't want you to do this at your house. We'll do it at our house in the garage with a crappy microwave. Don't try this at home. So, the first thing that we're going to microwave is, since it's Valentine's Day, we were told that we need to try laundry detergent. So we did laundry detergent, but we put food coloring in it so it's red for Valentine's Day. Okay?
That's really red.
With food coloring. So then the next thing we're going to microwave is, show it, buddy.
Chocolate.
Rolos. They're in a plastic container. We're just going to chuck it in there, hit the start button, and see what happens.
That's what
What else we're going to microwave, Matt?
the last thing we're going to microwave is a balloon.
A Mylar balloon.
Last but not least.
Last but not least. So, let's get to microwaving. First thing we're going to try out is
That stuff.
this stuff. All right, let's put this in there. Put it right there in the middle. All right, how long do you think we should put it in for? Should we try
Should we do a minute and a half?
minute and a half? Okay, we'll do a minute and a half. If we need to do it longer, we'll do it longer. All right, let's see what happens. You think it's gonna bubble? I think it's gonna get a bunch of bubbles.
It is bubbling. It's bubbling.
Is it? Oh, it's bubbling. Oh.
Whoa.
I have a feeling there's going to be a mess to clean up.
Whoa! That like all the scents are bubbling fast.
It looks like a big brain.
It does look like a big brain, huh?
Yeah, it looks like a big brain.
Oh!
It's lava.
It like all of a sudden like has these bursts of like, whoa!
You jinxed it.
I did. That's kind of cool. Whoa! The microwave like all of a sudden gets these.
I'm not bumping.
I know. The microwave all of a sudden gets these big bursts of like energy, and it's like. All right, you think that's good enough?
Yeah.
All right, I think that's good enough. Push stop. All right, so that just like it boiled pretty quick. It's just like, and then like the microwave would get a surge of power and be like. So let's see what it looks like in there. I'll get it. All right, let's take this out. All right. Oh no, it's not too messy. That's really hot though. All right, let's put this over here and let it cool down. All right, so that was pretty cool. Nope, I want you to keep the lid on. Okay, so I want you to just put that in there. And how long should we set the time for, bud? How many minutes do you think?
3.
3 minutes? Okay, let's clear it. And we'll do 3 minutes, okay? So tell them, what do you think is going to happen to the chocolate in there?
Melt and let out fire.
Melt the lead on fire? We can only hope. All right, 3 minutes. Let's try it out, okay, bud? All right, so 3 minutes in the microwave did not do anything to that. Kind of hot, but it didn't really do
It's
anything.
melted right there.
It's melted a little, but I thought it would have done more.
I want to see.
All right, we're gonna put these on a paper plate and throw it back in there and see what happens. Okay, dump them on, bud.
All of it?
Yep, dump them all in there. Whoops. All right, should we try this for another 3 minutes, bud?
Yeah.
Okay, another 3 minutes. Oh, there we go. Whoa! That's way better. That's what I totally thought would happen. Wow! It's gonna light the plate on fire.
Yeah.
Wow!
I wasn't expecting that.
I was. That's what I thought would happen at first. Look at that!
The plate is on fire.
How long should we do it for? Wow, look at that flame go up. Wow! Whoa!
It's changing colors.
That's cool.
It's changing colors.
All right, you think that's good?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
On a blow.
Whoa, let's look. Smoky.
Oh,
Yep.
good.
It does smell like s'mores. Does the plastic insulate the metal so it doesn't spark? Because as soon as we took it out of the plastic container, it worked. So that was pretty cool. That was pretty awesome. All right, Maddie. What is the last thing we're going to microwave?
The Mylar balloon.
The Mylar balloon.
Chocolate.
I don't think that this is going to last very long. I bet you this lasts like 10 seconds before it's just like... So, all right, let's see. How long, Matt? Should we do it for a minute and see what happens?
Yeah. But I wanted the balloon.
You wanted the balloon? Well, it's our Valentine's Day edition. We got to microwave this. I had a hard time finding a Mylar balloon that would fit in a microwave, but this one will work. Start. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Okay, I think it's done. I think it's done. Stop.
No,
Watch out, bud. Here we go. There we go. Here, give me the clippers. Oh, let's get this out of there. Okay, here, take it out, Matt. Ugh. Here, put it. Yeah, we got it out. Put it on the plate. Whoa! Wow, look at that. Why don't you put that up there on our pile of awesomeness? All the stuff that we've microwaved. Right? This is all the stuff that we've microwaved over the last couple of months. If you haven't seen any of the other microwave videos, you should go check them out because there's a lot of cool things that we've microwaved.
This is wet.
Smells a little burny in here, doesn't it? Thank you guys for watching. As always, I appreciate every single one of you. Next week, we'll microwave some more stuff. Stay tuned for more videos throughout the week, more vlogs. I think that's it. Leave us a message. Let us know what we should microwave next week.
And how many minutes we should do.
And how many minutes we should do. And we'll do it. Maybe. Maybe not. But probably. So, again, thanks for watching. You guys walk. You guys rock. Please share the video. I'd appreciate it. We'll catch you next time.
Peace.
Bleh.